na malingo adakwanisapo kuzazisa amashow onse ochitike.
Hi. Welcome, guys. Welcome. This is Sam Mavita. Musiku la lero ndikhala ndikupasirani program live kuchokera ku Mulanje. So ndili ndi brother wanga pa studio, ndili ndi brother wanga pa line. I'm adding now Steve. Steve, ndikupera kuti kundimva kumeneko.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you, bro? It seems like one of us is suffering from network issues, but we are going to troubleshoot it soon and everything will be right. Okay, guys, dear viewers, we are going to transfer you live from South Africa direct to Malawi. We are going to give you live content in Malawi, in Mulanje. This is so epic. There is Kefa Chimoto there. You will love him. You will like it. So you have to be there as Steve is online to give you everything so special. So Musadaligire, as I said, Musadaligire. Kefa Chimoto is in Mulanje and he's on stage now. So this is the opportunity that I'm going to give you live concert. Steve is there and a lot of friends are there. So everything will be just so fine. Everything will be just so great. So all you need to do is just to hang up there. Okay? Just hold on there. Everything will be just fine. I'm cooking something, as you can see behind me. I am in the studio, so everything will be just fine. I think maybe tomorrow evening or on Monday, early Monday, then I'm going to give you a very good video. So as we are just waiting for Steve will join us so soon. Steve will join us soon. How is your day, guys? How is your day going? Everything will be just fine. Don't go. As we are waiting for Steve to be online, we are going to experience the song live concert in Mulanje. We will do that. We will be live in Mulanje in a few minutes. We will be live in Mulanje in a few minutes. We will be in Mulanje in few minutes. Few minutes from now, we will be in Mulanje. So all you need to do is just hang up there. In just a few minutes, everything will be just fine. In a few minutes, everything will be just fine. Okay, we have one comment here. Watching from Cape Town, South Africa. Thank you so much. Kondana Ningwira. Thank you so much for the Thank you so much. My light is off. Okay, Steve is back. Steve is back online. So let's just enjoy and experience the Actually, now the network is not good.
Hi, sir.
Yes, brother.
Hi, sir. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here now. So you can just give us the concept and just tell us the condition there. How are things there?
Okay. It is sunny here at Rikumbula Valley, where
Yes.
the motors race is occurring there. And right now, as I'm saying, Skepa Chimoto, who is the singer, the famous one here in Malawi, is performing his session on stage. So I just wanted to share with you the videos, the live videos of him performing. So here is
Thank you
the
so much.
situation.
Go on, brother.
Live by YouTube. Are you able to see?
Yeah, I'm able to see now.
Are you able to see?
Yes, I'm able
All
to
right.
see. Hi, dear listeners. You are watching Samavit TV, and this is live in Mulanje, Malawi, and that is hi. You are watching Samavita TV, and this is Mulanje live concert. There is Skefaj Moto in Mulanje, Malawi, and we are trying all the best to give you the live update. But it seems like our dear brother Steve network is not on his side, but everything will be just fine in few minutes, and everything will be just all right. All you need to do is just to be there. You can give us your comment. We are going to read it out. I can't see anything there. Yeah, brother, I think there is a network problem in Mulanje for now. As you can see, there is a thick crowd and all those kind of stuff. So everything will be just fine, and everything will be all right, and everything will be so good. So our dear brother Steve is currently experiencing problem, but in my previous call with him, everything was so fine and everything was good. But I hope everything will be so good in anytime soon. Okay. The network is Steve?
Yes, Sam.
Um,
We
it
have
seems like you have network
we have
problem
network
there,
problem
so
here. So
I can see.
you guys see me, huh?
Yeah, I'm able to see you now, but
You guys see me live?
yeah, I'm able to see you, but the picture is problem.
Are you?
Like I'm able to hear
Oh,
you,
okay, right.
but I
So,
can't see you. Like there is no motion pictures there.
okay, oh no. Okay, so it is network problem. Network problem is what. So can we maybe? I don't know what you can do next.
I would play Waladi as we are. Okay. Um, Steve,
Yes, sir. Are you there?
yeah. Let me just do it. Let me just
Are you
do
able
the
to see me?
troubleshoot. Yeah.
I didn't feel that I have Wi-Fi, but right now I just have data bandwidth, so that's why the.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me do this. Okay, and then add again.
I hope you are able.
We are able to hear the audio and all the songs crisp and clear, but we are not able to see. So I think the network is taking a very huge part. Let's extrapolate some motion picture.
Yes, and I'm able to hear you, but I'm unable to see you as well.
Oh, okay. To everyone who is watching, maybe the problem might be the software which I'm using. So we are going to change from this software that we are using just to use exactly YouTube. So don't just go away because I am just going to resume this program, but on different software. I will use just direct YouTube app. So all you need to do is just to be there. In 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to bring Steve back. Steve,
Yes. Yes, sir.
I'm going to send another link on WhatsApp. So
Are you
you
able
need
to hear
just to
me?
follow another link so that you can join me on
Yeah.
YouTube.
Okay, sharp.
So,
Yes, yes. Double both. Yes, Lagona.